Okay guys, in today's video we're playing some Animal Rivals. So let's have some fun playing Animal Rivals. Don't ask, this is the room I play in because don't look at my feet please. Okay, well, anyways, this is my sister's room. Well, so let's get right into the video. So let's get right into the video. Peace. Okay guys, we're back. Transition. Boom, boom, boom. Guys, write down in the comments how good Deagle is because I'm pretty trash with it, to be honest with you.
It's time to become officially
I don't want to be a rapper. I want to be a sniper. Whoa, buddy. I don't want to be a rapper. I want to be a sniper.
I mean $11. I have 10,000 points now. What do you need? What do you need?
Give me
You
I
have
got
$11.
one more. I got one
Yeah,
more. I don't
yeah,
want
dude.
one more. Can you find rice all of it? I need coin back.
I want to be a rapper. Forta. We're so close.
What I'm trying to get, I think I need like 2,000. What do you mean? And I just saw you buy it. No, it's cheaper to buy it. You are
Spray. Dink. Make sure you shut the door. Jack, no. But can you please get Jack? Never mind. Never mind. I'm just gonna come in here, quickly shut it. Oh my god. Kick all these things out of my way. I don't want to be here. Okay guys, we just had to move to my room because he's being annoying and he won't get out. Go Jackson. Holy crap. We're playing some Animal Rivals. Okay guys, right, we're getting right into the video. Peace. Okay guys, we're in. Hey, why did my loadout not save? I had
And
I had this there. That there. Switch that out. What's There should be 2 pounds. Guys, if you all agree, there should be 2 pounds. Okay, but it's fully because it does a lot of damage.
Ben! Do that! Wait!
holy in the lag. Guys, tell me if y'all saw that crazy like lag.
I'm just that. I'm a big back, but that's not big. You know? You know, it's fine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 World Cups. Oh, if we picking this map, bro, I'm gonna go.
GG's.
Bet.
No.
Bet, bro. Bet. Y'all are cooked. This is the best
Match
weapon
started.
for this map.
Teammate, I'm good in this map. Just trust me.
Same here.
Round starting.
I'm pretty sure they're camping. Frick. They know where we're at. I just got one tapped with shoddy.
Round starting.
Come on, teammate.
I couldn't reload. I could not reload, bro. Teammate, was that close?
Kinda, not really.
Round
I
starting.
can't hear you. Higher up your mic.
Can you hear me now? I got one tapped.
Sorry, I was changing my settings.
Same. Holy.
I was trying to hear you. I forgot that I had turned hearing other people off. Sorry.
Round starting.
Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Right here, right here. Right here, right here. He's low, he's low, he's low. That's right.
No, he wasn't, but okay.
I thought he was. One's camping. He's camping on top.
See him? Hit him 28.
He is not two top. He is half health, bro. What are you talking about?
Me?
Yeah, you're half health. Over here, teammate. He's so low. He's so low. He's not low. He's not low at all. Yes, teammate! You just hit him with the gun. Oh my. Booty cheeks!
Holy crap, a battle predator. Don't be talking smack. That's how you lose.
Round
kid.
starting.
All I said was booty cheeks. I never said they were booty cheeks. I said booty cheeks. He's low. Blue is low. He's so low. See? Told you. So low. My teammate is not low at all. Teammate, no. Mine's a little bit low.
How?
Ah.
How?
Wait, they're at 4?
What?
Wait, what? What is the score? You're the one?
Round starting.
How?
Just walk in over there, over there.
I know where they're at. This guy's slow.
Teammate?
Rematch.
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 Rematch that
Pick my map
kids.
again. Pick my map, my map, my map.
No, Tony.
No,
Tony,
this.
Tony.
This.
And if you're, if
Those
if
fours,
it's your
those
map,
fours.
and if it's your map, I'm gonna spam you.
Let's go.
I have the perfect
Match
loadout for
started.
this map. Perfect loadout. I
also
have
got one, but
I have a
Round start.
W loadout.
I didn't equip it in time. I didn't equip it in time. This guy's low. The blue guy's low. Yes, teammate. What?
I only killed one of them.
That guy was low. The blue person was so low.
I was getting double teamed, kid.
Round starting.
What do you expect? What do you expect me to be, a holy god?
No, yes!
Holy crap.
I was at 5 health.
Oh, bro, they're so cooked.
Round starting.
Damn. Retard. That's what happens whenever you use auto shot. Are we using auto shot?
That was me.
Like, bro, now there's... I'm not even using auto shot, but okay.
It was
Round
me.
starting.
It's a gun auto shot.
Auto shotgun. Blue's low. What? Teammate, what are you doing, kid?
I'm trying to equip my loadout, and it won't work.
Round starting.
Finally. I just got sent. I just got sent.
Blue's low. Holy, what are you doing, teammate?
I just got launched. When I tried to place my trampoline, I got launched. Like, bro.
Yeah, because it launches you, kid. $90 on blue. 90 plus 10 on blue.
Oh, I'm not afraid.
You suck. No, you suck.
Pick my map, bro. It's gonna be good. Just pick my map.
I'm goated at Forest. I'm pretty goated. Oh my god, bro.
Oh
What?
my god, bro.
No.
I have the worst player ever.
Yo, teammate.
Yo.
Do we need to lock in? Oh no, we got this.
I need you to lock in.
Don't worry, I'll lock in. I'll try to.
Match starting.
Look, I'm just my loadout.
Oh, that's good.
Round starting.
Oh, I hit both of them 80 or 90.
The back guy, though, I didn't hit that guy or anything. Kind of double.
Oh my gosh. I am so bad at the game. I'm getting
Yeah, the
my
Apex
butt-
Major. They kind of targeted me.
I've never. No, my. Bro, these kids want to make fun of me.
Man, I was never making fun of you.
Round
He's not
starting.
making fun of me when he sees me, bro.
This kid is dead. I'm getting double teamed, bro. I'm getting double teamed.
Fuck up.
You gonna make me?
That's what I thought. Yeah. That's what I thought, bro. Pipe
That's what I
down.
thought.
Before I make you pipe down, bro. Stay with me, bro.
Round starting.
You're gone. Fuck you.
Well,
No, bro. This kid is on and over. He's not
doesn't matter
good,
if
but
you're
he's
on
on
and
and over. The Rangers ain't. He's gonna do. Yeah, that guy's on and over. That guy's definitely on and over.
Who?
The pink guy.
I'm not. Oh, this is my meme.
I'm not. He's getting lasered by this ore.
Round starting.
By this guy, I know.
Oh, I hit someone 99.
Glazer, glazer, glazer. Holy lasered.
You're not good. You're not good either.
So how come you're losing?
Pickaxe, dude.
Teammate, don't worry, bro. Watch this. Just
Round starting.
I'm not good right now. Just trust, bro. I won't be good. I want this to happen. I always want this to happen. Else I would be winning. You just died, bro. Yeah, because I wanted to die. If I didn't want to die, I wouldn't die. See, I was just lasering, bro.
He's
Teammate.
literally on an all. You see how I'm playing the game?
Yes. You're playing like a goat, bro. You're playing like a
Round
goat.
starting.
Got him?
Most
Okay.
obvious.
So I just got double teamed? Yeah, I never hit it yet.
Oh my! And of course, your teammate's using crossbow.
Rematch! Rematch, I dare you!
I hit you out of the sky,
Oh.
freaking kid. I hit you out of the sky.
Oh, yeah! Okay, bet that.
I hit you out of the sky with a crossbow.
You
Tell
hit
me
me
how
out of
that's
the sky,
possible.
right? Rematch, come on. Rematch
Yeah,
out of the
bro.
sky.
Yeah, with
Rematch
the
if you're so...
cross-
Hey, watch
That's
this,
the
bro.
crossbow, because he sucks.
These kids wanna see him if they're good, okay? Keep on
Probably
being good
why,
then.
because you suck and you only use crossbow. So I was using crossbow. That's how you know he sucks.
I don't
don't have
only
crossbow.
use crossbow, kid. And you gotta be good to get crossbow.
Match starting.
So,
There's
And-
nothing without crossbow.
and I have DMR, so. And I have burst rifles.
Yeah, but you
Round
mostly
starting.
spam crossbow, so you can't.
Yo, teammate, what the fuck are you doing? Teammate locking. I get them both really low. If you suck, if you lose, you suck. There we go. Yo, why are you being so mean to your teammate? Instead of walking over there, how about you try to come help me?
Round starting.
Get lasered, bro. You just got lasered.
Get lasered! Get lasered!
Your
Bro, this is
teammate is spamming.
Nobody cares. And spamming is when you're pulling the trigger a
both of them are
bunch.
spamming. This kid is just spamming crossbow, and the other guy just.
Round
You
starting.
can't spam crossbow, actually, kid.
Yes, you can. You're just using it every second.
Come on, no, bro.
Double team?
Get double team.
Fully
Come on.
double teaming?
Yeah, what
You're the
happened?
last
It's
guy left. You're the last guy left. Of course, we're gonna double team.
but
Don't
it's
worry,
okay when you
teammate.
guys do it. It's okay when you guys double team, right? It's okay when you guys double team.
No.
Round starting.
Of course, it is.
I got one low.
30 and 12. 30 and 12.
I want to teach you a little lesson. Even if you kill him, he's one.
How did I
shot.
die? Kill this guy.
'Cause you
sucks and
fucking
he's
suck.
spamming.
Bro, I'm not spamming actually.
You're not even saying they suck, bro. You're just spamming crossbow.
You suck.
Bro,
Round started.
You're a ramping.
Oh dang it.
Yeah, I did it.
Teammate, can you mind stop stealing my kills?
Round starting.
They're both on me. Yeah, you guys are double team. You guys suck. He's right here.
Teammate, we're gonna win.
He's coming to you. Did we win?
These kids suck. I told them. They're not. Gonna win.
Round starting.
Quick, get him out. You fucking suck! At least I didn't lose the first match.
Holy crap, he
Bro,
didn't read.
Where is he?
This is the. Cause I'm a sniper hacker, and I use hacks.
No, you don't.
You're done. You're done those.
You're done, buddy. You're done.
You're done.
Sniper sucks. It's only good if you hit a headshot.
Match starting.
Watch me hit 200 on him.
He's definitely a katana user too.
Round starting.
74. So that makes. What were you using? Like what? Was that a flame gun or something? What was that?
Round starting.
170 teammate. Dude, crossbow user. You suck.
No, I don't.
I got 170 rounds. Let me die.
Round starting.
Got him 200.
No, you didn't. Your teammate got
Yes,
him.
I did. It literally showed 200. Hi, sped.
Then why did it say your teammate killed me? Yo, what in the holy lag? I got disconnected? For what reason did I get disconnected for, bro? What reason?
What's going on?
I'm becoming Ninja Cowboy.
Hey, I want to catch some people.
Let's go murder some people. Ah! Hit him with the rock.
Stay away from me, bro. Stay away from me.
And your mom.
I think I done it.
I'm good for a crossbow.
That's lobby, bro.
Why did my game always crash?
You little pest.
Yeah, you peasant. Is it like full body?
Shut the fuck up! Fucking warlord. Trash kid. You're trash kid. You're trash kid.
Salad.
Yeah, bro. We really beat you in the TV2. You're trash kid. Get better.
Yo, what's good?
He's on an ult, bro. He's on an ult.
Shut up.
My friends just don't like the games out. I gave him food.
What if we just...
Since you don't have a low rank, you're on my team. Fuck. My rank isn't too low. I mean, it's still low though.
Join me. Join me.
Okay,
If
come
that
on,
is-
y'all.
Wait, bro, come on.
Friend.
Y'all hear thunder at your house? Nah, bro. It's sunny and shiny at mine.
It's-
Shiny and sunny.
It's,
I hear shining and thundering.
it's shiny and sunny at my house, too.
Mine's like
Match starting.
a little bit shiny, but it's just midnight now. It's just midnight.
So you live on the whole other side of the
Round
earth
starting.
than North America, right? So you don't live in North America.
Kill him. Bro, stop spamming! Teammate, just let them kill you. Great.
I never spammed, actually, kid.
No, it's on the double teamer.
Round starting.
Who cares about double teaming? If it's double teaming, like stop. No, if y'all want to spam, I can give y'all spam. I got you. Okay.
No,
He's very low.
Shotgun.
No, if y'all want to
user.
spam, my teammate and me, I got you. Team, I'm using this and this. I'm using Deagle spam. Ready at Deagle.
Round starting.
Alright, guys. I have 189 on the good kid.
And then the other one is low. Oh, you already killed him. One shot with the deagle on him. He was literally one shot with
I'm
Round
just
starting.
spamming, bro. I'm not saying you stop spamming.
I had him 130.
Bro, teammate, stop dying so quick. Actually, no. Teammate, it's fine. Kid. Chill, kid. Teammate, it's fine.
Because I'm fighting the good kid.
Oh, I got you. Would you help with the good kid? You go fuck
Round
the
starting.
terrible kid. Game 100? Yo, you guys are double teaming. Double teaming. You guys are double teaming.
Yeah.
It's because you're getting on him.
They're cooked. They're cooked.
Hold on, you go right. You
Yeah,
go
they're
right, I'll
cooked.
go
They're cooked. You still win.
Round starting.
They're gonna win. Teammate, I got one. Yo!
Okay, I got
Y'all
scared.
some
I'm gonna
bullies. Y'all some bullies.
Bro, I missed,
Watch
I
this.
missed like 3 of my revolver shots and I got stuck.
Come on.
Round starting.
Be like a boy. 67. Teammate, I got him low. He's one shot. Oh, sure. He's right. He's right. No, I got him low. I got him low.
Bro, I hit off the wall.
I can't let them, bro.
Like I was bouncing off the walls and I
Wait, don't rush. Don't rush.
I'm not rushing.
Round starting.
It's called rushing, no blitzing.
Teammate,
I got the good kid low and the other kid is like I didn't hit him with
He's low, teammate.
let's go. I hit him from 99. How are you not dead, you gorilla? I know. I have like 200. I have like 200. The one that looks like health. I have like 200 health. I
Round
have
starting.
200 health.
Oh yeah, they're going this way.
I got the Red Ranger. Oh my god! Bro, no, sorry.
Rematch.
Rematch. Are you sure you want to rematch?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm sure, kid.
Okay, first let me change on my loadout. Actually, never mind. I say,
Y'all cooked. Same map.
not that map again. Backrooms.
Same map.
The background, yeah.
Same map, bro. Swear to God.
Okay.
Same map.
I don't know.
Same
Okay,
map.
okay.
Same map. Yes.
Match
Same map.
starting.
Well, it's my favorite map, but now these people.
Round starting.
Oh, there.
Got him. Teammate, he's kind of, I hit him kind of a lot. Behind me.
Bro, shotguns is weird.
I know. I can use shotgun about 1, 2. Everybody use shotgun every
I
time.
want to be on map.
Round starting.
I want to be a sniper.
40.
Holy spammer.
Bro, nobody cares about spamming. It's just a game. It's just a game. We can all spam if we
Round
want to,
starting.
bro. Like that guy said. Whatever that said, that was the same.
I got him low. Yep.
Bro, what are you?
That's shotgun spam. That's not shotgun spam.
He sucks.
Bro, you got more damage than me.
Round starting.
Teammate, don't low. He's low. The big one is low. Like the Titan's low. Okay. Let's go. He's gonna spam. Let's go. Oh no, you wanna spam like that?
What's this?
I didn't say I spam. I didn't say I'm gonna spam. Like we can spam if we all want to. Stop hiding from me, baby. Teammate, he's one shot. No, he's not. Nice one shot. Nah, bro. No. Skibidi. Oh. We've got
Round starting.
67. I got 67. Let's go. How are you not dead? I'm like 10 shots. Bro, teammate, we actually need her locked in there. I'm always killing the good kid. You're not killing either.
Round starting.
Let's go. Cause he's spammy, bro. Teammate, if you don't win this, I'm gonna rage bait. Oh, you rage quit? No, I'm not gonna quit this game. This is probably like one of my favorite games.
Round starting.
Make another No, they're double teaming. They're double teaming. They're double teaming. No, the brown. Look behind you, monkey. Right there, bro. You're racist. You're racist, monkey. Bro, am I racist, cow? Cow. Am I racist?
No.
Round starting.
No, one of them are the cow. Nice. You're double teaming. You're double teaming. You're double teamers. Teamers. Here's teamers. You stupid baboon.
Rematch.
Why do you want to double team? You stupid baboon. You stupid baboon.
That's. So like that duo would be OP. That's too fucking close. That Deagle, and then 2 pounds, and then pick that up, make it 3, and then we come. I'm thinking this slow down, but.
Oh, look at like this thing.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. No. Oh, fuck.
We are going.
Yeah, who wanna get on my team?
She's
Who wanna
wrecking.
get on my team? Damn, bro.
Twin, where have you been? Twin, where have you been? Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy.
That's kind of gay, chat. That's kind of gay.
What is?
Yo, you better.
Match starting.
Big guy,
Round
big
starting.
guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pencil, okay?
32.
Never hit one chat. Wolf guy's low. Wolf guy's low. Not super. He's not super low, but he's kind of low. I said he was.
I got sprayed by the AR. That's why I died.
Round starting.
Teammate help! Teammate help! Bro, how low was he? I was at 2 HP. Oh my gosh!
Round starting.
How do you think I win? 2 HP. No. I was at 2 HP. Teammate, there's no teammate me. Can you help me? I'm looking for him, but they keep disappearing as soon as I come. Oh my gosh, bro, you suck. You're spending shotgun. You're only spending shotgun. How did you mean? You suck, bro. I killed him with Deagle. No, you did. You killed him with Deagle, but you're spamming me shotgun. Okay, it's just my loadout. Get here.
Round starting.
My loadout.
I know that. You
Round
think I
starting.
don't know that? I'm locked in. 90. I hit both for 90.
Teammates go. No! I hit him for I was 45 HP.
I hit both of them for 90.
Did you kill him? I got him 100 and then I got him 20.
Round starting.
So I did 67, bro. That was 67 damage.
Hit 118.
He got crossbow. Watch out.
Okay. They missed their shots.
I got this dude. He's going in trenches. Teammate, help! He's coming up. I got him. He's coming up from trenches. Hey, nice man. Come on, lock in.
Okay, I'm trying, bro.
Round starting.
There's one rushing.
Behind. Nice to meet. Good game. Yo, your teammate was banging shotgun. I didn't like it.
My friend. Where's my friend at? Okay, that's bro,
Do it now. Wait, can you stay here for a moment? Can you stay here? My friend's gonna join.
Yo,
And you
if
want
I
to
get
scan?
another bad teammate, I'm
Join
gonna
me.
end this game. I'm
Wait,
actually
let him
quitting this
join,
game if
let
I
him
get another
join.
bad teammate.
What? Do you want me to see his outfit?
No, Blazers. Holy Blazers. Holy Blazers. Holy
Whoa!
Blazers. Look at this silverback 3, bro.
Speed I need. I'm just gonna hit the guys, what rank am I? What rank am I? I just checked out. What rank am I?
Silverback 3.
Friend. Time to do
Wait,
it.
no, you're not gonna
play duos? Do you want to play
Wait, this guy's my friend.
Friend, do you want to play duos?
We'll do trios. We'll do trios.
How do you?
Let's do trios. Let's do trios. Let's do trios.
79 billion?
I love it.
Yo, you wanna get on the other team, bro? I'll give you a free bundle.
Yo, my other friend. No, I can't let you go.
Go to Force.
Yes,
Let's go to
force. Hey, duo, come over here. We're doing force.
No, get in.
Get
It
in,
doesn't
get
matter.
in.
It doesn't matter. Get in.
It doesn't matter.
Get in, come on.
Go.
Get in. Yeah,
XP formed.
Trying to make it more balanced. The cow.
Yes, he's
Bro, what
in.
is this Titan Tune actually doing, bro?
I know.
You, Raymond. Can you go there?
Can somebody actually get on, bro? Somebody actually get on.
Yeah. Big arena.
Big arena? Alright, yeah, that's pretty fair.
Teammate. Friend.
We need everybody with Ranger. We need everybody with
I've been separated.
But that's probably gonna happen.
My brother.
Hop off.
Where'd my brother go? No, you're not my brother. Hey, llama, bro. God is good.
These kids are raging so hard.
Duo.
Yeah, Ricky Fire.
What is that?
Is he gonna go? Is he?
Bro, no! There's a chance for anything, bro. Because, bro, like, bro, a plank could fall in my...
Yo. Duo.
Bro, we're going to the same comeback. No.
Duo.
Oh, yeah. We just gotta sound like,
Duo.
Nauseous now. Like on my balls, bro.
Duo.
Alright, bye.
I think,
Yo, keep on.
my mom's calling.
Yo, Duo. Hey, Duo. Hey, Duo. No, Duo.
I just met a moderator.
This side.
I got completely fried chicken. Yeah, fried.
Howdy.
Look, fried chicken. What happened to your
I
nuts?
beat Apex.
What?
Yeah, I beat Apex.
I'm about to crash out because my internet
I saw destroy every single one of them.
Hold on, watch this.
Teammate, you know the drill. Turn on team chat.
Yep.
I have an idea.
Okay, I'm in team chat.
Trust. I'm gonna be one of the most annoying things. I'm gonna be a mosquito.
Bro, it's gonna spam auto shotgun.
I have auto shotgun.
Match started.
What are you talking about?
You can hear me?
Yes,
I'm
I
gonna be one of
can.
the most annoying people.
Round starting.
I said they were going
Okay, one almost dead.
He's sniper deagle. He's using sniper plus deagle. Teammate, he's using sniper plus deagle, bro.
What? Why does that matter? Why does it even matter that
Sniper.
Deagle is a W choice, bro?
I know that.
Round starting.
Dumpster.
Oh my god.
Teammate, we're gonna lose.
No. Now if I pull out my best combo in history.
Round starting.
That was a. Oh, you disappointing.
Teammate, I just got.
Finish.
I hit him
Buddy,
160.
why you guys targeting?
How's that targeting, bro? We're not targeting. You're just going in the air.
Wait,
How are
teammate,
we
did you
even
turn on
targeting,
team chat?
bro?
Yes.
I'm only
Round starting.
killing your other team. Okay, other guy one shot.
Teammate, I got him 74.
Ooh, let's go.
Yeah, we stand no chance.
We kinda do actually.
Round starting.
And now you're getting mad at me for targeting. Oh, this guy's a pay to win. And he buffed the skin that shoots back. Disappointing. And y'all so lost. Oh my god. This is kind of
Okay, teammate, join me.
Okay, I got you.
prove your worth.
I'll join you.
Prove your god.
I got a goony, goon.
Where's my teammate?
Oh, he's out there gooning.
Domain expansion. Infinite class.
Never mind.
Mm.
Never mind.
That was actually hard. I'm going to get you again, boy.
Take a breather.
Okay.
Teammate. Oh wait, teammate. That's not my teammate.
Your teammate doesn't like you.
Where the hell is my teammate?
You don't have one.
I
They don't like you because you suck.
was good.
Are you the goat with sniper, teammate?
What?
Are you the goat with sniper? What do you use with your sniper?
Sniper, this, and then this.
You be jiggling balls, jiggling balls, jiggling balls.
What?
If you notice how
Gay?
I like tickling in my leg. You notice how
I shoot it sideways.
Like this?
Oh, hey guys.
Yeah, it's the best to hit headshots.
Alright,
Ty.
Oh, heck no, bro. GG's, teammate. We're cooked.
I kind of feel bad now. He said, "Oh, I was gonna go there." Teammate, wait, grenades or no?
No grenades. No, we're not playing grenades.
What is that app? Prime? I don't know.
Only gun you can
Match
use is
started.
pistol, kid.
What is that in your top of your head?
Wait, no pistols, right?
You could only use pistol.
Round starting.
Yeah, what? Let me get him. My teammate's newy, so he can't. Yeah.
Teammate,
Spamming off the alt account.
They're actually teammate this. Well, one of them is spamming paintball blast.
Round starting.
I know. Holy, what is
Did you
this?
just
He's sniping crazy. Behind you, teammate. What are you doing?
Let's go teammate.
Oh yeah, teammate though. Hey. Oh yeah, teammate though.
Bro, I can't help that he's spamming teammate.
Round starting.
Oh my
What
god, headshot.
What is this kid doing, bro?
I've sniped
Of
you
course-
every time.
Yeah, because you're so bad at the game.
I'm bad at the game, but I snipe him every time. Interesting.
Sniping flag.
Round starting.
Every time. I guess I'm bad. Yeah, I guess I'm bad.
Teammate,
Yo, I'm just sniping the guy. Of course. Of course
Bro,
you
you're
need a
gonna kill both
freaking...
of them, bro. I'm chilling here.
Yeah. No way, he just said of course I'm saying. Yeah.
bro, they're spamming.
We're spamming. I'm using sniper. What are you talking about?
Round starting.
They're spamming snipers.
Oh my god.
My friend.
All my friends are toxic.
somebody tell me
All
how to boot people offline
ambitions,
so I
always rude and always negative. All my friends are toxic. All ambitions and
Who's trampoline, go? Cut. Who's trampoline?
all my friends are toxic. All ambitions are rude and always negative. Dude, I saw you. Bro, I saw you click the button leave.
Yeah. That got me rage baited.
Like, as soon as I joined, you went right out of the game. All my friends are toxic.
there's no
All
more eight
ambitions are
Eternal.
always negative. All my friends are toxic. All
We're
ambitions.
cooked again.
All my friends are toxic. All ambitions always rude and always negative. All my
Teammate, we're screwed again.
all my friends are toxic. All ambitions they're always rude and always negative. All my
Match
friends are
starting.
This match.
All my friends are toxic. All ambitions are always rude and always not.
Round starting.
All my friends are toxic. All...
Band-aid. I'm screwed. Next striker. Oh, teammate.
Holy crap, this Apex is crazy goated. Teammate, we're not winning. We're not
We're
winning.
not losing any help. Hey, teammate.
All my friends are toxic. All
At
ambitions.
least I'm not toxic.
Yeah.
Round starting.
All my friends
All
are.
my friends are.
All my friends are toxic. Man. I hit him for 30, teammate. All my
Shoot.
all my friends are toxic. God, bitch. I caught that on video. I caught that on video, bro. Holy.
So did I. I headshotted both of them.
All
Round
my
starting.
friends are toxic. All ambitions are always good and always.
Stop trying to call friends.
All my friends are toxic. All ambitions.
No.
I go sorry. Teammate. I got that kid 182. I couldn't freaking get a snipe.
All my friends
Round
are
starting.
toxic.
All my friends are toxic. Ambitions are always good. 200?
Ben, you're
Oh! Oh my god! Holy crap! Both of them at 200, I went ding! Did you see that? Did you watch him fall?
Yes, I did.
Round starting.
Bro, that was lucky. Action.
Oh,
Bro, how did I die?
I 200 sniped.
Where was this kid?
Holy 200 though. Did you not see that, bro? I absolutely
I 200
flipped.
both of them too.
Yeah.
I 200 both of them too. That's actually insane.
That was a
Round
crazy
starting.
clip though on that kid. $36. Come on. Headshot snipe for the video. Headshot snipe for the video. Oh. Holy though, I clipped that kid, bro. Remember when you told me to put down the sniper?
Yeah.
Round starting.
I mean, I might be good to a sniper now. I'm missing my 200s.
So am I. 120, you got him?
I'm missing them now.
Okay, bro's just spamming. Brody, you out.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Holy 200. Okay guys, that's the end of today's video. Peace.
Yeah, dude, Riley, how's your OnlyFans going?